Hi, I'm Fredric. I'm a clinical mental health counselor and hypnotherapist in practice in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm really looking forward to the National Guild of Hypnotists convention this August in Massachusetts. I'll be speaking on epigenetics, nurture, nature, change, and hope. Have you ever had a client that felt like depression has just run in our family, or there has always been alcohol misuse? These different kind of problems that crop up, and they seem to go down through generations. Epigenetics is the science of inheriting behaviors and emotional orientation, not just through the stories we tell ourselves or emotional things that are passed on, but actually physically inheriting these things. The nice thing is that this is not a change to your genes, and it's not a genetic inheritance. Epigenetics is a chemical, non-genetic process for inheriting sort of emotional orientation. I spoke on this at the NGH conference back in 2016. There is a lot of science that's been developed since then, and we'll be taking a deep dive into it in this lecture. So I'd invite you to come along, enjoy the lecture on epigenetics. It's going to be a deep dive into some solid science. If you're looking for something that has practical tips and that sort of thing, this is not so much that workshop. But if you want something that gives you a very solid scientific background, this is it. Also, I will be focusing on ways to encourage your clients so that they can understand that the things that have plagued their family in the past are not their destiny, that they're not crazy for thinking that these things can be inherited, but this is an inheritance that can be changed. I think you'll find it really interesting, really engaging, maybe fun. I'll look forward to seeing you in Marlborough. Thank you.